If you do not get it changed on time, if you show up and it's not testable, if it falls off, anything like that is going to be a violation of your bond, and you will have your bond raised and you will be back in custody. No questions about it. Do you understand? So you need to talk to your bondsman. Actually, if you on your way out, there's probation right there. She has a list of places where you can get that as well. So you can stop and ask her for that list. I need proof to your bonds. Mr. Hines, you tested positive for THC. When's the last time you used marijuana?
3 weeks ago.
So you're trying to get a job, you have jobs, and you know you're going to get tested on jobs, especially the type of job that you're doing, and you're using marijuana.
You know, I ever since last call, I've been trying to get clean. I had stopped smoking. Since I got the job offer from multiple job offers, I had stopped smoking. See, right now, this dude has a little work for cleaning up trucks with CDL. I'm also in class to try to get my CDL. So that's what I've been getting my little money from.
So here's what you're going to do, Mr. Hines. You're going to get a drug patch. You're going to get it on today. You can ask your bondsman where to get that. You're going to wear your drug patch. Obviously, it's going to test positive probably the first go round. But if you're telling me the truth about 3 weeks, then it should be going down and be negative within the next patch. You have to get them changed every 2 weeks. And today that you have a drug patch on your arm. Okay. All right. Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice.
Yes.
No. Right here in front of her. Good morning. Are you paying Downhauer? Ms. Downhauer, it's very important that you're here on time. I forfeited your bond and reset it at $100,000 because you weren't here.
I'm going here. I've been here since 8 this morning.
Well, they called your name.
I was in those doors asking which courthouse I was supposed to be in.
Okay. I'll recall the bond forfeiture. And so, Ms. Downhauer, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26, DCCR 0906. You're charged with a second-degree felony offensive assault on a peace officer, and that's from March 20th of 2026. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No, ma'am. I asked for one to be appointed.
So when you're in custody, we automatically grant that and give you an attorney. But once you make bond, I'm going to expect you to at least try to hire your own attorney. So what I'll do is reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to get someone hired. If you get someone hired before that next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do.
Yes.
If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, they have different payment plans. Bring me the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying. Then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? Give me just a second to take a quick look at something. All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice. If I call your name, come forward, please. Derek Chapman. Chatham. All right, if I call your name, come forward, please. All right, so you're Derek Chatham?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Chatham, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26, DCCR 0904. Just a second. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of forgery of a financial instrument from January 29th of 2026. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
Not yet.
So what I'm going to do, sir, is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone.
Yes.
If you get someone hired before that next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would have to go back to jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, if you step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that reset. Son's not here. Paul Malone. Paul Malone.
Paul Malone. Pretty good. President Ron, all the way up.
Good morning, you're Paul Malone.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Malone, this is cause number 20-34762. And it looks like you have a motion to revoke your probation for unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
Yes, but I can't afford a lawyer.
Well, how did you afford that bond?
My mom paid 1,000. I'm paying off 100 every 2 weeks.
Are you working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is reset your case to give you some time to try to hire someone. So if you get someone hired before that next court date, you just need to bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what you need to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to, so I know you're trying, and we'll discuss what your options are. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? Let me look at something real quick. So as a condition of your probation, obviously, look. Where are you living?
I was at the behind Tammy's at RV,
Mhm.
but my air conditioner broke, and now I'm staying with a friend at the apartments. But I told my PO was out there.
You did?
Yes.
And you've got that GPS monitoring device?
Yes, ma'am. I was wondering if I could get it off because I can't really afford it.
Nope. That was a condition. That's one of the few things that made me comfortable setting the bond in your case back when I set it. So that's staying on so that I know for certain and I'm comfortable that you're not going anywhere that you're not supposed to be. All right. So I need you to try to get a lawyer if you can before that next court date. And then we'll see where we are. Okay. Make sure you bring the names of who you've talked to if you don't hire one.
Yes.
All right. Step in front of the clerk. Hannah Ballard. Good morning. Are you Hannah Ballard? Yes. And Ms. Ballard, were you able to get someone hired? Who'd you talk to?
Ripe F. Kemmler, Ripe S. Kemmler, and Winston Scott Adams.
Okay.
And I was going to see if I could get Mr. Kemmler hired, but he told me to come back to his office for us to talk about price because he didn't give me the price that day I got his card because he was in another meeting with someone.
Okay. So but you've had a whole month to try to do that. So you can't wait till the last week to try to go see a lawyer because they're busy. You've got to go as soon as we're done with your with your court date. Is that all you just talked to 2, not 3?
And Philip Dowden, I didn't get a card from him.
But you did talk to him as well. All right. So Ms. Ballard, I'm going to reset your case one more time. Don't wait till that last week. Go visit with Mr. Kemmler. If you get him hired, great. Bring the reset notice to him. If for some reason that's not going to work, talk to at least 3 more. Bring me those names and then we'll discuss your options.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And my employment, I don't want to, without telling you, I'm no longer employed at Dollar Tree because I had a situation with allergic reactions. But I did still do what you told me to do, and I was applying to every jobs that I could.
Okay.
And I got an interview at Cascades. nursing home for next month on the 6th.
You do? Okay. All right. So you're not working at Dollar Tree anymore.
Mhm.
So let's do this, Ms. Willard. I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for an employer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely. Don't just leave it all blank. You're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. You step in front of the clerk on the end, she'll give you that paperwork. Hagan, down hour? Down 4 hour? Hagan, down hour. Sure.
Hagen.
Or
it doesn't shake them, makes me laugh.
Does she? You just know, I mean, this is how it's spelled.
Yeah. No response, Sean?
Right, bond will be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at 100,000. Rodney Hines. Good morning, sir. Are you Rodney Hines?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Hines, did you get someone hired?
No, I talked to a few lawyers, because of my background, they want a significant amount of money.
Who'd you talk to?
Talked to, Brittany Holmes, Ryan Gertz, Corey Grishaw, talked to right from the, secretary. I'm probably gonna meet her when I leave. They just wanted to have money down because of my background. But they knew she would get high.
And where are you working?
I got a, was working at the port. I got a, another interview at AWP, safe when I leave.
So you not working at the port right now?
No.
Why not?
But they was at a job in the court, so I can go a couple of months.
I'm going to, if I test you this morning, you gonna have anything in your system? Let's double check that and then we'll talk about your options. Have a seat in the jury box.
Boy.
David LeBlanc. David LeBlanc.
Hey. No response, Sean?
Bond will be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at 100,000. Tara Lynn Williams. Good morning. Are you Tara Lynn Williams? Yes or no, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Williams, you okay this morning?
Yes.
If I test you, you gonna have anything in your system? No? Let's double check that. Have a seat in the jury box so I can get you tested. So the next one, Donna Hill.
Yeah.
We don't have any, who's supposed to be sending us? The Feinsman, maybe? Okay, I'm not gonna call the name, just hold it and I guess maybe reset it a couple weeks and see if we can get something from them. Javon Johnson. Good morning, you're Javon Johnson. Did you get someone hired?
I'm dealing with Miss Holmes. She has a $1,500 retainer, and she's letting me break it up in payments. If you would give me 2 more weeks and I could get it paid off.
Okay, sounds good, Ms. Johnson. I'll reset your case. And what I'll do is 3 weeks.
Yeah.
And that way you can get her paid and hopefully that'll give her time to get that information to us. And then that court date might change. Get your reset notice, be here on that date unless she tells you otherwise. Okay, thank you. Gilbert Robinson.
Down Howard.
Okay.
And that's how this courtroom session comes to a close. Some defendants earned another chance. Others walked away with strict warnings. And one thing became crystal clear. Judge isn't handing out second chances for free. Every missed deadline, failed drug test, or broken bond condition could send them straight back behind bars. Which case stood out to you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns.